Headaches are very common. The World Health Organization reports up to 3/4 of all people suffered some type of headache within the last year. For some, headaches are no big deal, but for others they can be debilitating. Experts at Mayo Clinic have tips on how to manage headaches.
For years, James Mawson's headaches were a 24/7 event.
I was having, at one point, 2 migraines a week and having headaches nearly daily.
The pain impacted his work and family life. James often wouldn't have the energy to play with his son Will.
I would come home from work and I would just want to go to sleep.
The headaches hurt, but the migraines were worse.
It was as if someone was poking something into my left eye.
Frustrated, James went to Mayo Clinic, where he met Dr. Robert Sheeler.
Well, the 2 most common types of headaches are tension headaches and migraine headaches. And so
Dr. Sheeler says tension headaches tend to be milder and last from a few hours to several days. Migraines are often more intense.
Migraine is what we call a channelopathy. There are excitatory neurotransmitter channels in the brain that are overreactive. And so migraine brain is sort of like a Ferrari. It's high performance but high maintenance. And so people with migraine have a lower threshold to trigger off a cascade of things that can end up with a host of symptoms, the last of which is a headache.
And treatment can be tricky. Dr. Sheeler says first he looks for the correct diagnosis. Is it tension headache or migraine?
First, you find out how it's affecting the patient's life and how frequent it is.
That information helps determine the type of medication that may work best. Treatments range from over-the-counter analgesics, such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen, to migraine-specific prescription medications, to antidepressants, to mind-body techniques such as Tai Chi, meditation, or yoga. Dr. Sheeler says the key is to treat symptoms early and avoid things that may trigger headaches.
Okay. Which planet is that?
Medication and mind-body techniques have helped James gain control of his headaches.
It's probably one just plain headache a week.
And now, instead of battling pain, he's able to spend the afternoon enjoying time with his son Will.
I'm very grateful for that.
For Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Vivian Williams.
Again, Dr. Sheeler says the 2 most common types of headaches are tension headaches and migraine headaches. And to treat them properly, it's often important to distinguish which one you're dealing with. He says it's also important to make sure the headache is not the result of an underlying problem such as an aneurysm, tumor, or other serious disease. If you have significant headaches, it's key to see your healthcare provider and get a detailed neurologic evaluation.
Before we go, a brief look at the main stories. Government lists 9 revenue measures to generate additional income in coming years. Top officials in HM Customs speak with JTV News about revenue collections and challenges in carrying out their duties, which includes keeping the territory's borders safe. In a government interview, Communication and Works Minister Mark Vanterpool says berthing agreements signed with cruise lines will be made public, and he gave an update on the progress of the cruise pier expansion project. We have the first look at Peebles Hospital Pharmacy location at the new hospital building with larger spaces and private counseling room. Farmers Week off to an exciting start on Friday morning with continued focus on youth and strengthening food security and sustainability. More men are turning out to prostate cancer screening. This year, the numbers reach 800. And Education and Culture Minister Myron Walwyn issues a statement on Black History Month, commending the African Studies Club for paying homage to African ancestors with the annual wreath-laying ceremony. In news from the Caribbean, China will fund the Quarantine River Bridge connecting Guyana and Suriname. And frightening teenage pregnancy situation in Trinidad, while men are getting away with statutory rape. Remember, you can find all the news stories featured in this newscast along with JTV's television programs, community and government events on our website jtvlive.net. You can also watch this entire newscast on jtvlive.net. Additional information can be found on our Facebook page, facebook.com/JTV55, as well as our JTV News YouTube channel, where you can find all the news features, press conferences, and TV programs. We welcome your questions and comments. Email us at jtvnews@hotmail.com. I'm Ino Suman. Thank you for watching.
Wardrobe provided by Umi Fashions.